Energy pyramids in ecosystems. Lecture guidelines. Be prepared, you should have your notes sheet, a pencil, and a highlighter on your desk. Be polite, listen respectfully to the lecture. This is not an appropriate time to talk with your classmates. Be a participant, ask questions about the lecture material and make connections between things you're learning and things you already know. This will help you to remember the information later on. Review. Who remembers the key terms we have learned so far? For this lecture, we should know the meaning of ecosystem, producer, consumer, herbivore, omnivore, carnivore. Review. You already know about two different ways to show relationships between organisms in an ecosystem. Food chains, which represent each trophic level as a single organism that is consumed by the organism above it, starting with producers and ending with apex predators. Food webs, which depict groups of food chains in their natural interconnected state. Energy pyramids. There is another way to show these relationships. The third diagram is called an energy pyramid. Energy pyramids show the flow of energy from one trophic level to the next in an ecosystem. The levels get smaller as energy moves up the pyramid because there are fewer organisms at higher trophic levels. Energy pyramids. The base level of every energy pyramid represents producers. This is the largest level because producers make up most of Earth's biomass, number of organisms. When herbivores on the next trophic level eat the producers, energy is transferred between them. This higher level is smaller than the previous one, because there are fewer herbivores than producers. The 10% rule. The general rule for energy transfer between trophic levels is that only 10% of all energy produced on one level will be passed on to the next level. For example, if 100 kilocalories of energy are made by producers on an energy pyramid, 10 kilocalories of energy will be available for the consumers that eat them. Check for understanding number 1. Using the 10% rule, figure out how much energy would be available in each of the trophic levels pictured to the left. Remember that to find a percentage of a number, you can multiply by either a decimal or a fraction. CFU number 1 solution. Starting at the bottom, multiply each level's energy output by 10% to see how much is passed on to the next level. 200,000 kilocalories x 10%. 200,000 kilocalories x 0.10 is equal to 20,000 kilocalories. Or 200,000 kilocalories x 10%. 200,000 kilocalories x 10/100. 200,000 kilocalories x 1/10. 200,000 kilocalories/ 10 is equal to 20,000 kilocalories.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.